I've been using MX Linux with the Moksha desktop for a while now in my backup laptop, and it has quietly become my go-to distro, especially for older hardware and everyday tinkering. Here's why. Speed and low resource usage. The first thing that won me over is how lightweight it is. Moksha, the desktop environment, is remarkably efficient with system resources. On my older machine, boot times are fast, apps open snappily, and the whole system stays responsive even when I have a browser with many tabs open alongside other apps. It delivers a modern, composited look without the heavy memory and CPU cost you get from many other desktops. For anyone reviving an old laptop or just wanting a snappy daily driver, this is a huge win. ZDNet called it blazing fast and a great way to revive old hardware, and I completely agree. Ease of use and versatility. MX Linux itself is incredibly easy to use. Everything just works out of the box. The installer, the drivers, the software center. It's built on Debian, so it's stable and reliable, but with a friendliness that makes it feel approachable even for newcomers. What really sets it apart, though, are the built-in MX tools, a collection of handy utilities that make tasks easy that would normally be fiddly. The portable and persistent, this is where MX shines. You can run it entirely from a flash drive, and it includes built-in tools to set up persistent storage. That means your settings, files, and installed apps survive reboots. You're basically carrying a full desktop OS in your pocket. Whether it's rescue work, privacy, or just testing things out, it's incredibly convenient. MX even documents how to create a persistent line USB right from Windows, so getting started is easy. Customize everything, even build your own distro. With MX tools, you can go further than just persistence. You can customize the OS to your liking and even create your own new distro using the snapshot tool, packaging up your configured system into a bootable ISO that others or you can install. For someone like me who loves tinkering and sharing setups, this is a game changer. Final verdict. MX Linux with Moksha is fast, lightweight, easy to use, and endlessly versatile. Whether you're reviving an old laptop, want a portable persistent OS on a USB stick, or want to craft your own distro, it handles it all with surprising ease. If you haven't tried it, give it a shot. You might just fall in love with it like I did.